So when we first started 3D printing, the entire process from requirements to delivery was handled by a single technologist, yours truly. And even then, it was in addition to my other responsibilities as a 3D imaging technologist. Requests were submitted through email, and works were managed through Smartsheet. Print data like material use was also tracked through Smartsheet, and we continue to use Smartsheet for other applications due to its flexibility, user-friendliness, and reasonable price. We just no longer use it for these specific applications. We printed what we could on a single hobby-grade FDM printer that lived on our desk in our office, and outsourced the rest. When it did work, we were able to print pretty cool things, but that was not the case most of the time. There was a lot of tinkering, and also a lot of painting in these early years. So these days we have a team of about 11 people that make up 2 FTEs, and the work is split up based on appropriateness. We have a biomedical engineer who does most of the design work, printing, and maintenance. This is our only staff member fully allocated to 3D printing. We have a remote staff member who spends about half his time providing design and printer queue support. We have about 7 technologists trained to provide segmentation and QC specifically for 3D printing, in addition, of course, to their other 3D imaging and quantification work. We have an admin who periodically helps us with inventory, simple maintenance, and deliveries. And then finally, yours truly, tying it all together and stepping in to help whenever needed. Aside from being an efficient distribution of labor, the key benefit to having a team like this is that service doesn't suffer when a contributor isn't available once in a while, because we all get sick and we all want to take vacations once in a while, so it helps a lot. So although these days, email is still used in some cases. Most prints are ordered through Epic and then automatically fed into Weblog, which is the name of our homegrown work management system. All work is managed and data tracked in Weblog. This allows us to build custom reports and dashboards. We currently have 4 printers of various technologies spread across our 2 lab spaces. This combination of different technologies allows us to fulfill a wide range of needs in-house, from simple FDM prints to multi-material and biocompatible surgical cutting guides.